Welcome back to Stoic Pulse. Today, we're diving into a transformative topic, a simple guide to personal transformation with Stoicism. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or in need of a change, Stoicism offers powerful tools to help you navigate your journey. Let's explore how this ancient philosophy can guide you toward personal transformation and a more fulfilling life. First, let's clarify what Stoicism is. Founded in ancient Greece, Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes reason, self-control, and virtue. It teaches us that while we can't control external events, we can control how we respond to them. The Stoics believe that true happiness comes from within, not from external circumstances. This perspective is essential for anyone seeking personal transformation. Step 1. Cultivate self-awareness. The journey of transformation begins with understanding yourself. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. What are your strengths and weaknesses? What triggers negative emotions? Keeping a journal can be a great way to track your thoughts and gain clarity. As Epictetus said, "Know, first, who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly." Step 2. Embrace the dichotomy of control. This Stoic principle teaches us to differentiate between what we can control and what we cannot. Focus your energy on your actions, thoughts, and responses, things within your control, rather than external events or the opinions of others. By doing this, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and frustration. Remember, as Marcus Aurelius stated, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Step 3. Practice negative visualization. This might sound unusual, but imagining the worst-case scenario can actually help you appreciate what you have and prepare you for potential challenges. By mentally rehearsing difficulties, you reduce their emotional impact. This practice builds resilience and strengthens your ability to cope with adversity. As the Stoics taught, the obstacle is the way. Step 4. Focus on virtue. For the Stoics, virtue, defined as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, is the highest good. Make it your goal to embody these virtues in your daily life. Ask yourself, how can I act with integrity today? This focus on virtue transforms your perspective, allowing you to prioritize what truly matters over fleeting desires or external validation. Step 5. Engage in continuous learning. Personal transformation is a lifelong journey. Read books by Stoic philosophers like Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, or Epictetus. Explore modern interpretations of Stoicism and apply these teachings to your life. Learning not only expands your understanding, but also inspires growth. As Seneca said, "The mind that is anxious about future events is miserable." Instead, focus on what you can learn today. Step 6. Take action. Transformation requires more than just reflection. It requires action. Set small, achievable goals aligned with your values and the insights you've gained. Break these goals down into actionable steps and commit to progress. Remember, as the Stoics emphasized, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. In conclusion, personal transformation is a journey that takes time, effort, and dedication. By cultivating self-awareness, embracing the dichotomy of control, practicing negative visualization, focusing on virtue, engaging in continuous learning, and taking actionable steps, you can harness the power of Stoicism to create meaningful change in your life. To recap, here are the 6 steps for personal transformation with Stoicism. 1. Cultivate self-awareness. 2. Embrace the dichotomy of control. 3. Practice negative visualization. 4. Focus on virtue. 5. Engage in continuous learning. And 6. Take action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'd love to hear from you. What steps are you taking towards your own transformation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to personal growth starts today.